Looks good, man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's up, man?
Last time you sent me, I had a 2000 watt on it.
Oh, yeah. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Kody from Coastal Trees. And,
Okay.
I got Scar 12s.
Yep.
Terry amp, 5K, 1000 watt RMS for the highs and everything.
All right. Did you do the amp rack?
Yeah.
Nice work. Looks good. And how is it doing on the meter wise, you know?
Burping about 146 and a half, maybe 147.
Yeah.
On constant music, 145 flat.
Okay. Can I see the back?
Here.
Oh yeah, it gets a little hot. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, cool.
Nice. Looks good, man. Are those 6-inch ports?
Yeah, exactly.
Eights?
If I'm not mistaken.
Are they 8s or 6s? 6. Are they one chamber or 2 chambers?
It's a common chamber.
Common chamber, okay. For 212s though, man. Nice job. Hey, thanks for the demo. Nice meeting you again, man. All right.
They said it need else's. Well, I got big man. But I didn't want one way, so we can't fix that. Oh, such nice, she mad at me. So she come on me for getting that. Oh, they say, bring me a chicken, make sure you stay big, man. Tell the truth.
double. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.